Ever wondered how much
Hmm.
fighting is too much fight for cats? Think of their relationship like a traffic light: green, yellow, and red. Green light means they share spaces, groom each other, touch noses, and greet with tails up. No worries here. Yellow is when friendly behavior is rare, and you notice hissing, swatting, blocking access to food or litter, or avoiding each other. This means tension is rising, and you should adjust their environment, like using a calming pheromone diffuser. But this only helps in the yellow zone. Red is serious. Frequent fights, injuries, stress behaviors like hiding or over-grooming, and no friendly contact. If your cats are on the red zone, separate them and start addressing the conflict immediately.